This is how fast you have to go down a gravel driveway for your car not to get dirty. 2 to 3 miles an hour, pretty good speed. Thankfully the driveway is not too long, or else it could be a lot worse. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and to another video. Today we are taking out the FRS. We just got the car cleaned up, and first things first, someone is coming to look at Bobby's Genesis, so I have to go meet up with her. We're gonna go show the car. It's quite a far drive, so the guy better buy it because it's like an hour drive for me. But he sold his car yesterday. He doesn't have a car to drive. I was like, yeah, you know what? I'll come meet you way out there. So pretty sure the guy's gonna buy the car. And then from there, I don't know what Bobby's gonna do. I guess probably drive the truck unless we can find her a newer STI or Evo or something she wants to drive. Yeah, whatever. Let's go meet up with Bobby, say what's up. This right here is a very sad day in history. Bobby's officially selling her car. We are meeting the people out in Numerica. They already test drove the car and he really liked it. So yeah, Bobby's officially selling the car.
I think I'm gonna cry.
Why?
Because I don't want to sell it no more.
Don't sell it then.
I'm just kidding.
What, you want to sell it?
I freaking want rid of this dumb piece of poop.
Why?
I'm just kidding. I love this car. I guess I'll just clean it out later.
Why does everything you say just kidding after? So let me get this straight. You want me to put green calipers on my car so we can have matching cars. The day I get my car done, you go and sell your freaking car? Why does that happen?
Well, because you took too long. You're slacking.
Well, you're slacking.
Come on, baby. We're going fast.
This is the last time our cars are ever gonna be together.
Sad. Are you gonna cry?
No, I'm just letting you know. Unless you want to take a photo or something.
Oh gosh, you're right.
You always forget. You always forget to take memory photos. The only photos you take are butt photos.
Oh, stop. I'm sad, Haas.
Why? It's just a car.
Yeah.
Your next car will be cooler.
Well, I hope you
I'll
take care of her.
I will.
Take care. Yeah, have fun in
Good
California.
to meet you guys. I will.
Yeah.
I'll keep you guys updated.
Yeah, for
yeah,
sure.
do it.
I don't have a car. I don't have a freaking car. What do I do?
Learn to ride a bicycle.
Baby, I don't wanna. Show me how to ride your bike, the street bike now.
I just heard him scrape.
Did he?
I just heard him scrape.
What the frick? That's my car. Somebody's driving my car away.
Chill. Well, get all your shit in my car.
Look at all that.
It's hot as hell out here. Okay, guys, anyone watching this, if you have a wrecked or blown up Evo, oh wait, or any Evo, I guess, would you drive an Evo 8 or Evo 9? I'm pretty sure you would. Evo 8, Evo 9, Evo 10, or I guess any STI either. Hit me or Bobby up because now she needs a car. And we want to blow up a wrecked one for dope content for the channels plural. Because if we get a wrecked one, you're already building it.
Really?
Yeah. Alright dudes, a little update on the Evo 10. Still no motor back from the machine shop. I called them and they said their dude that boards all the blocks is currently out. So hopefully that comes back in soon. Car's still looking just like it did last time you guys saw it. Nothing new to look at here. I do have some really weird, strange, and bad news on my personal Evo 10. Let's go head over there and let me show you guys this car real quick. I'm pretty disappointed when I found this. Looks so good just sitting here, but guys, check this out. I came out here to throw some stuff in the trunk the other day and look what I found. Really kind of pissed me off. Look at this. You know what that is? I didn't know what it was at first, but that is definitely a mouse eating apart my Evo 10. Who knows how a freaking mouse got in here, but it really bugs me, so let's see if we can catch this little fucker. Seriously. I've looked around the inside and I don't know where all that came from. It obviously wasn't there when I put the car back here. So that is a bunch of shit from maybe the bottom of my seat, and there's a bunch of mouse shit back there too. So that's pretty sick. Seriously guys, what the hell? How does a mouse get inside of my Evo 10? and just start eating it apart. It really, really pisses me off. I hope when I go to like put this car back together, get a motor in this thing, that I don't find like my front seat all torn apart or something. I looked around the car and everything seemed to be okay. The reason why I still haven't got a motor in this car either is waiting on cams. As soon as I get the cams in, I'm gonna bring the head in, get the head gone through, get the springs installed in the head, and then we should be able to fully assemble that motor and get the motor in this car. And hopefully make some good power too. One thing I am debating doing is having some port work done on the head. I haven't exactly decided if I want to do that or not, let alone I don't really have a solid place or a solid shop that I know that could do that. Maybe I'll send it out to like MA Performance or something like that, or I don't know, another big shop. I would just have to ship it out, which I don't know if I want to do. So if you have any suggestions there, drop a comment down below. I do know that MA Performance does sell like aftermarket heads, or not aftermarket, like OEM modified heads, so maybe I could send them my stock head and they could do it. I don't really know. Drop a comment down below if you have any good ideas there. We are back with the one and only Mr. George. Pretty sick spot you got here, dog. And then we got George's car here, looking nice as usual. And then Chase with his STI. He's on air, I don't know if he's aired out, with his new color of the wheels. They look really freaking nice. I believe that is cherry red by Prismatic Powder. So guys, if you want some powder, go check out Prismatic Powder. They're the shit. On baby.
I saw you guys out here and I was like, damn, is that thing broke in the middle of the street? And then I came around the corner and you guys all had cameras.
It looks broken. I mean, it pretty much is broken.
Hydraulic?
It's on air ride, yeah.
It's on air ride?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
All right, to get it all the way up, just hold that. It's literally all the way up. You can't really get much higher. Wow, you look cute in there. Is this your new whip?
Yes.
I understand. Dude, I love the squeak. The little crickets.
Where am I going?
Where's she going?
Do you get nervous when I air out your car?
No.
Really?
Why would I get nervous?
Because what if it's not perfectly straight and I air out when the wheels cranked like that?
Then you'd break a fender. Understand?
Yes.
What's your favorite color underglow on that car? White?
Yeah.
Good night, beautiful angel.
Good night.
Who's the beautiful angel? You're the FRS.
Both.
I understand. New tune is in for the Evo 8. With this new tune, we can finally rev out to 7K. We've been hitting 6K, and honestly, I've been going a little bit over 6K. But yeah, we're officially good to go. I said officially. I learned it from the best. We are 100% good to go for 7,000 RPM. Yeah, let's go make some power.
Okay.
Wait, you're going home, aren't you?
Yes. I want tacos.
You're whack. Are you gonna make me a taco?
Do you want me to lock this?
Yeah, lock it up. Are you gonna make me a taco?
Yeah. If you hurry.
I will.
Thank
Here are your new keys.
Why do you talk like this?
Dang it, I always do that. I start it up and I totally forget to data log it every single time, I swear, and then I'll shut it back off. So it's not a true cold start, you know?